Hey there, welcome back to Paper Sketch Anime channel. With me, your beginner anime artist and host Darsa. As usual, I'm going to review this week's drawing progress. Before I continue, I do apologize for my voice is a bit off today because I'm still recovering from a flu. The flu season just started and people at my workplace are getting sick left and right. Really scary stuff right now. But anyway, let's get to it, shall we? From 15 to 16 of September, I skipped 2 days of sketchings. The reason because on the 15th of September, I called in sick from work because I caught a flu. I spent most of my day taking medication and resting, so no drawings were done. Whereas the 16th of September, I got swamped by Tuesday's work and follow-up work for Monday. Remember what I said 2 weeks ago about a possible interview from a different department? Well, I got it in a surprise interview that Tuesday morning. I was caught off guard and tried my best to present myself to the interviewers. The interview went okay, but not exactly the best. I kept rerunning the interview questions in my head and wondered if I should have answered them differently. Let us hope for the best, and I get selected for the transfer to a new department. On the 17th of September, I decided to postpone the 30 days drawing challenge for creating my original character because creating an OC it's cool and all that, but I think I should focus back on the human anatomy, like learning how to draw the legs properly. So I sketched along with a YouTube tutorial for drawing legs. Then I started to study the general shapes and orientation for the legs. On the 18th of September, I continued with the tutorial. Then I followed the tutorial suggestion to break down the legs into basic cylinders and spheres. Then afterwards, I connected the basic shapes of cylinders and spheres, forming the actual shape of the legs. On the 19th of September, I followed along with the tutorial and sketched a bunch of leg drawings. They look better than my earlier full body sketches. They look more refined when compared to my typical sausage legs than before. On the 20th of September, I finally finished the tutorial. I continued to draw more leg sketches and finished the day with 2 body sketches. The overall body sketches came out a bit rusty. I think I should sketch at least a single body per day in order to maintain my drawing skill from deteriorating.